Welcome to the world of raw power and mind-blowing machinery. This is Machinery Tech Channel, and you've just stepped into our incredible YouTube channel dedicated to heavy machines. Get ready to witness the most awe-inspiring, jaw-dropping videos that will leave you breathless. So, if you're ready to embark on a thrilling journey into the heart of heavy machinery, hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of like-minded enthusiasts. So get ready to be amazed. Imagine a scene where vast fields stretch as far as the eye can see, ready for harvest. Traditionally, this task required an army of workers, countless hours, and immense physical effort. But with the advent of harvesting machines, the game has changed. These mechanical marvels are equipped with cutting-edge technology and intricate mechanisms designed to handle the most demanding harvesting operations. Whether it's reaping grains, picking fruits, or gathering vegetables, these machines do it all with precision and efficiency. Let's take a moment to appreciate the difference. While manual harvesting is a labor-intensive process, harvesting machines can cover vast areas in a fraction of the time. They work tirelessly, day and night, ensuring a swift and efficient harvest. Farmers around the world have embraced these machines wholeheartedly, as they offer a multitude of benefits. By saving time and effort, farmers can focus on other essential tasks, such as crop management and planning for the future. The Craftsmanship 8700 TerraTrack combines cutting-edge technology, unmatched versatility, and exceptional efficiency to redefine the art of harvesting. This machine is a force to be reckoned with. Equipped with the revolutionary TerraTrack system, this harvesting giant conquers any terrain with ease. Its advanced crawler track technology provides stability, reduces soil compaction, and ensures maximum traction even in the most challenging conditions. With its massive grain tank capacity and high unloading speed, the Craftsmanship 8700 TerraTrack allows for uninterrupted harvesting, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. It's a true productivity booster, but it doesn't stop there. This machine is not just powerful, it's intelligent too. The Craftsmanship 8700 TerraTrack is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, cameras, and automation systems that optimize performance, reduce losses, and improve grain quality. Farmers and operators who have experienced the Craftsmanship 8700 TerraTrack firsthand have been blown away by its capabilities. They praise its ease of use, reliability, and the significant impact it has on their operations. In conclusion, the new Craftsmanship 8700 TerraTrack sets the bar high for harvesting machines. With its innovative features, remarkable performance, and unwavering reliability, it's a true game changer in the industry. When it comes to tackling tough demolition projects, the big Camric DMW 220 is the ultimate solution. This robust and versatile attachment is designed to demolish concrete structures with unrivaled efficiency and precision. Equipped with powerful hydraulic mechanisms, the big Camric DMW 220 delivers immense force to break through even the toughest concrete walls, floors, and foundations. Its advanced design and engineering ensure maximum impact and efficiency. But what truly sets the big Camric DMW 220 apart is its adaptability. With a wide range of interchangeable tools, including breakers, crushers, and cutters, this attachment can handle various demolition tasks with ease. It's a true multitasker. Watch as excavators equipped with powerful hydraulic breakers tear through concrete walls, reducing them to dust. High-reach demolition machines delicately nibble away at tall structures, bringing them down safely and efficiently. And let's not forget the artistry of controlled explosions and implosions. Skilled demolition crews strategically place charges and carefully orchestrate the collapse, ensuring the safety of surrounding areas and minimizing debris. Building demolition is a testament to the power and precision of heavy machines. They transform towering structures into memories, making way for progress and new possibilities. The Terex Finley i140 combines power, versatility, and innovation to redefine mobile crushing and screening. This machine is designed to tackle a wide range of materials, from aggregates to recycling, with exceptional efficiency. Equipped with a heavy-duty impact chamber and advanced hydraulic components, the Terex Finley i140 delivers powerful crushing capabilities. It effortlessly reduces large rocks and debris into valuable and reusable materials. But what sets the Terex Finley i140 apart is its mobility. This machine can easily navigate tight spaces and access remote locations, thanks to its compact design and excellent maneuverability. It brings crushing capabilities wherever they are needed. The Kubota Fast Bale revolutionizes the baling process with its unmatched speed and convenience. This state-of-the-art machine is designed to make hay baling faster and more efficient than ever before. Equipped with innovative technology, the Kubota Fast Bale enables continuous baling with its unique non-stop baling system. It eliminates the need for stopping and tying off individual bales, allowing for seamless and uninterrupted baling. But it doesn't stop there. The Kubota Fast Bale features advanced automation systems that ensure precise bale formation and consistent bale density. It's a game-changer for farmers seeking optimal quality and productivity. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video.